Hello YouTube, Snailwolf here. Well, let me tell you about a little problem I am having as of late. One of my girls is always trying to open my cabinet right here. So, yeah, doesn't have any locks, and I not really want to put a real lock on it with a key because that would ruin the look of it, and also, yeah. Then I can't lose the key, eh? If I lost the key, then it's all over, eh? Can't open it anymore. So, another little thing you can do, eh? Instead of putting in a real lock, is just, you can find a little Allen key, like this. Then drill a small hole, here, to the side of the bedstand. And then, you just enter the Allen key right here. That's it. It's that simple. Now, if your small little child, toddler or whatever, wants to open it, she won't be able to open this little drawer. Impossible. Easy. Not going to open. Yeah. Of course, you want to open it, just take it out and open it. No problem. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like, and I will make some more. Thank you.